Alright, good morning guys. So this is the tutorial for today. It is the last, and I really wanted this to be like a big bang shebang type of look or video rather, but it didn't work out how I wanted it to. My apologies. Throughout this entire video I was changing up the angles because of how the light is coming in really harsh, which for this time of the morning it's usually giving me this glow, you know, but it's coming in really harshly. So because of that I had to be moving around just to get rid of the sun. Like sometimes the sun is like this, like directly in my face. So if that's annoying for you, my apologies again. And I really hope you guys not hope, I know you guys have been enjoying these 31 days guys. This is the last video of 2019. You guys won't see me again until next year. Listen, I appreciate you guys so much. I appreciate you guys sticking with me. I appreciate you guys commenting, subscribing, sharing my videos. I appreciate everything that you do. But for my next video for next year, I'm going to ask you guys a major huge favor, and I'm going to do it now. Because of how YouTube is now, right? The only people that has the power to change it is you guys, the viewers. You're the only ones that can make my videos go viral. You're the only ones that can give it the views. You're the only ones that can push it up into the algorithm, you know what I mean, that can burst through it and that can give me the views that I've been looking for, that I've been working so hard for. So I'm going to ask you for, from this video onward, I know I have at least 1,000 true people who are riding. Please share my video as much as you can. Recreate the looks as much as you can, tag me as much as you can, and of course I will, if I see the tag, I will definitely repost. Comment as much as you can, like as much as you can, all of those things, it adds up and it breaks it pushes me up and beyond. We're about to approach 2020 and I have major dreams for 2020, and I think I'm going to do like a video of what I have planned for 2020. Let's say today we might get 3 videos today. I know my birthday video already went up, my vlog went up on this channel, yes, and you're getting this video, so I may do a 3rd video, or maybe that video I'm going to have it for the new year, make that video be my first video of the new year, like my New Year's resolution or whatever. But yeah, I have a lot that it's a lot that I'm asking of you, I won't lie, it is, but you're the only ones that can change this. You know, in spite of what an algorithm says, if you're watching and watching and watching, it's going to eventually push me up, well, you know, because of the algorithm. But I'm just saying where it is now, I am on the non-receiving end of the stick, the crappy end of the stick. So I'm asking for your help. I'm asking for your support in this endeavor. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys next year, and this is the last video of 2019. Vlogmas, 31 days of complete slayage. We did that. I want to thank everybody who came on my channel, everybody who collabed with me, everybody. Thank you so much. Thank you for the love and the support, and do continue to watch. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys next year. Okay, so I'm using my Iris pencil, my Iris Beauty Brow Perfector. Iris Beauty has the dual ending, so it has like the pencil parts, and then it has like the spoolie pencil parts. Okay. So I'm just drawing on my brows as quickly as possible. I mean, as quickly as possible is relative because this is sped up. The only thing I wish I had done was draw my brows more precisely rather than haphazardly and then focused on the concealer to fix it, because it left my brows kind of looking wonky at the top. And for the top of my brows, I just use my CoverGirl concealer that's closest to my skin tone, but it doesn't really have a name. Number 13, Juvia's Place. So this, you guys aren't new to this. This is how I typically do my brows. Yeah, but I want to take the time out to tell you guys thank you for your support. If you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Share, comment, and all that good jolly stuff. All right. So that's what my brows are looking like. I won't lie, it is. I'm wearing Sakota Sakota is the color I'm putting on now for the foundation from Juvia's. But I won't lie, like these brows are low-key, high-key stressing me out, man. Because as you guys know by now, I have regrown my brows. You know, I just arch them. No, because you know they need to be arched. There need to be some form. There need to be some form of responsibility taken. So I did go ahead and regrow my brows, and it has been a trip. Just like I found the perfect shape, and I did a video on it. I'm like, you know what? Because when I was doing that video, I did not intend on splitting the video, but I love how my brows came out, and I wanted a video dedicated to my brows. So I have that. I'm telling you a secret type thing, and the secret was that I have grown my brows, or that I'm growing my brows back. So and somebody asked me about microblading. I would definitely do microblading now that I have like a base, you know, so they can see what my original brows look like. Oh no, look at dig out. Bear in mind, these are all foundations that I'm using to contour and as my legit foundation. So I go between like a sponge and a brush to do my highlight. And if you notice, I'm not highlighting my forehead. Well, I didn't deliberately go in and highlight my forehead. I just take whatever is left on the brush to go on my forehead. The reason why I'm doing so much voiceover is because the little ones are in the background. Jonathan I play a game, Jalila first. So I wanted to minimize as much as the noise as possible. So that's why I'm doing so much voiceovers, like interchanged. And yeah, so I use this brush to blend it out, and then I went in with my foundation brush and just go over the edges to help it blend more seamlessly in the edges. But yeah, I have not been deliberately highlighting my forehead, and I love how it looks. And to low light, I'm taking Katsina. So as I say, I'm using Katsina to do my low light, and look at that. I love it so much, and I still went on my forehead and did low light, even though I did not highlight my forehead, because wherever you low light anything else, anything that's around it is automatically brighter. I mean, not brighter, sorry, it's automatically lighter than what you've low lighted. Zine? Yeah, so I don't, you don't have to like highlight certain areas, but if you want those areas to still pop out at you, you can definitely go ahead and low light, and vice versa. You don't have to low light, but if you want certain areas to pop out at you, you can highlight. But I find that with the highlight, it has to be balanced with the low lighting. By the way, I'm currently doing one-on-one classes in Florida, so go on and hit me up on the Instagram, LyricRochester, baby. Okay, so Jalil is not having it. Teaser right here. So I am setting my brow bone area with the same powder I use that you're seeing on my face. Just at the lighter areas, and this is Black Radiance True Complexion Loose Setting Powder. I don't see a name on it, so I'm going to heavily assume that there is no name. Alright, so I'm using Warm Cocoa, and it's a Jordana powder. When last only use a Jordana powder? When it has been a long time since I've used a Jordana powder. So I'm gonna take Sister to Sister. That color right there. And put it right in here. And I'm going to be using Ole. That's the red right, that's the only red in the palette. Still using the Juvia's palette. I mean the Fume X Juvia's palette. The Queen palette, sorry. So I'm using Ole or Ole, I don't know. Then I'm using Adrian, and Adrian is the purple in the palette. So now I'm taking the same concealer I used for my brows. This is the number 13 concealer from Juvia's Place, and I'm going to use that to cut the crease. Yo, this cut crease technique has been going on for a couple years strong, and shout out to whoever created it. I don't know who, but it's so much easier than what I used to do before, back in the old school days. If you want me to do like an old school cut crease, let me know in the comments. So this is the Warrior 3 palette. I'm speaking softly because Jaleel is falling asleep. I'm going to take, what? Candice? Should I take that one? Yeah, let's take Candice. I'm going to go in with Iziva, and this is from the festival Erie G. Let me just take what's left on the back of my hand, the concealer. So at this point, I wasn't really sure if I wanted to just highlight in the inner corner or like do a double cut crease. So I decided, obviously, to do the double cut crease because it's more fun. It's way more vibrant, and because this is the last of the tutorial, I kind of wanted it to. Do you want it to have a look? So even though I'm gonna get the look, I'm still trying to put in a lot of effort where this where this look is concerned. So yeah. Oh, and I'm still using the concealer, the number 13 concealer from Juvia's Place, and I'm blending it out with that brush that I used to do my highlights. I'm going to be going with Nzinga, and then I don't know. We'll see from there. Oh my gosh, this sun is. See, let's try the Afrique palette from Juvia's, and let's try this color. Okay, so this is what the eyes are looking like. So now I'm going with my LA Pro Primer in black again. I'm going to be taking my concealer again. Yeah, so with the eyeliner, with the number, the oh my gosh, the black eyeliner, this the Pro Primer from LA Pro Conceal. I'm actually kind of winging it out. So I'm blending it out, and I'm actually using a lip brush. So I'm blending it out as well as kind of winging it out as well to kind of give my eye that lifted look. Then I'm going to be going in with Ofala from the Festival palette. And no, let's go in with Oro first. So Oro. Then let's go in with Ofala. And I think I want to add Iziva, this red. Let's put that on the lash line. Alright, it's not coming off how I want it to. So I'm going in with Candice. That's the purple. From the festival, no, from the Warrior 3 palettes. Alright, so I am going to be going in with the Saharan 2 palette. And I'm going to be taking what is his name? Aziza is right here, and I'm gonna put Aziza right here. Nice. Then I'm going to take Aziza on my cheeks as well. It's hella bright. And for the blush, I'm going to be taking Taza. The color right there. And for the lips, I'm taking Like from Kylie Cosmetics. So guys, this is it for the tutorial. Oh my goodness. Thank you a bajillion times for your support, for your love, for your kindness. Thank you for those of you who watched from day one to this very moment. It really means a lot to me, and you guys know your support means a lot to me. Yeah, so this is the look, all Juvia's Place palette. Please go ahead and recreate this look, and if you do, go ahead and tag me on Instagram, and if I see the tag, I would definitely repost you guys. Thank you so much for your love and support, and I'll talk to you guys next year. Thank you guys. Thank you.
Know that when you step in, it's me casa. They say that I'm too extra, that's my problem. Word up on the street is that you knew this. Oh, you knew it. They look at me like